Hi everyone. By the time you see this, ITB Berlin will have come and gone. But I'm here today attending the Travel Tech Convention in the context of ITB, and I wanted to share some insights. In the last 2 days, I've had the opportunity to see firsthand what's being touted as the latest and greatest in travel technology. And while there's no doubt that innovation is happening, I've also noticed a recurring theme. It seems like many of the solutions on display, despite their innovative nature, are essentially addressing a handful of industry challenges: optimizing hotel bookings, streamlining customer service, personalizing travel recommendations. All important, of course, but it often feels like we are applying technological band-aids to deeper wounds, layering technology on top of outdated systems and workflows, instead of fundamentally reimagining how we operate. And this, I believe, is where the real opportunity lies, not just in adopting new technologies, but in truly disrupting existing business processes, in rethinking our approach from the ground up. And at the heart of this rethinking lies data. It's the one asset that every travel company, every stakeholder possesses in abundance. Yet it's often the most underutilized. Think about it. If you're a travel professional, you're sitting on top of a gold mine of data: booking information, customer preferences, travel patterns, social media interactions. The list goes on. But are you truly harnessing the power of this data? Are you extracting its full potential? For many stakeholders in the travel industry, hotel executives, airline operators, tour agencies, the answer is unfortunately no. They are operating in silos with fragmented systems and inconsistent data. They are struggling to integrate data from various sources to create a holistic view of the customer and to extract meaningful insights that can drive real business value. This data disconnect is an obstacle to their ability to personalize experiences, to optimize operations, and to truly innovate. They are missing opportunities to anticipate customer needs, to offer proactive recommendations, to create those seamless and memorable journeys that customers crave. And the irony is, while we're busy layering technology on top of outdated processes, and this is not unique to the travel industry, by the way, the key to unlocking true transformation lies within the data itself. It's time for the travel industry to shift its focus from simply adopting new technologies to fundamentally rethinking its relationship with data. It needs to break down those silos, invest in modern data infrastructure, and foster a data-driven culture. And to do that, we need to get serious about data. We need to move beyond simply collecting data and start truly utilizing it to create value, to drive innovation, and to transform the travel experience. What's interesting is the growing realization about the importance of data, particularly as AI becomes more prominent. It's almost as if the AI hype has inadvertently shown a spotlight on data deficiencies. Everyone is eager to jump on the AI bandwagon, but they're quickly realizing that AI is only as good as the data it's fed. This realization, I think, is a turning point. It's forcing the industry to confront its data challenges head on. We can't just talk about AI anymore. We need to talk about data strategy, data governance, data literacy. So to wrap up, I think that as in every other sector, the travel industry today is at a crossroads. It can continue to layer technology on top of outdated processes, or it can embrace the power of data and unlock a new era of innovation and customer centricity. It will be interesting to see who will be the forerunners and subsequently the winners of this wave of transformation. Until next time, keep being curious and keep innovating.